What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today we're just gonna be grilling some burgers, hot dog, chicken, and just chilling at the pool. Today's video is not a recipe video or any of that sort. We're just gonna be chilling.
Nails it. It's tough, clear, and built for adventure. So if you're into content creation, guys, this camera is definitely for you. Is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it. Absolutely.
Yes, guys, so today's video was basically about testing out the features of my new Action 5 Pro camera. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Peace.